Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the WeCool W001 black earphones. These are a pair of wired earphones and this is what the packaging looks like. You've got a mascot of sorts on the front side of the packaging. It just says Hi-Fi Electronic Gadgets at the bottom. On the right, you have the brand name, as well as a little slogan which says WeCool makes you cool. There's nothing on the top or the bottom. On the back side of the packaging, you get to see the manufacturers or the importers' contact information along with the model number, which is W001-black. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's on the inside. You can see that it comes in its own carrying case, which is super convenient. Inside the carrying case, you get a pair or rather 4 extra ear tips. These are usually in small and large sizes because the medium ones come pre-installed on the earphones. Then there's the earphones. So this thing is about 1.2 meters long and it has a little control pod wherein you can increase or reduce the volume using a slider or rocker switch. And there's also a little button which will allow you to receive or cut calls. The connector uses 4 poles, so it's TRRS and it is not gold plated. Then you've got the earbuds themselves. The back is not magnetic. This was the unboxing for the WeCool W001 black wired earphones. Thank you for watching.